If you got the album, the Jabberwocky album produced by the Bangers, you would know that there's a track on there called Would You? You're probably wondering why that track is even called Would You. It's a question. Where's my man SB at? Black boy. SB needs to grab the mic. He needs to grab the mic. Because if I get fired, he's going to get fired with me. We ride together like that. So this is a track that I produced called Would You, and we're not supposed to release this until later on. So we got my boy Ray Rosero on the track, we got my man SB on the track, and we got my man Clyde Carson on the track. Shout out Clyde Carson. You know about the team, my Bay areas, my Bay Destrians out there. You know what I mean? Okay. So we're playing the song. Oh, wait, we're playing the song? Is that what we're really doing? But you know what though, real talk, I don't even know if they really want the song yet. Shout out to all the ladies telling me to say shout out.
If we play the song, we might, you know what I mean, we might get fired. I don't want to have to like, wait. But check this out, though.
I'm gonna put my job on the line, but I need everybody in this room right now to support me. If you want us to play this song, I want everybody to press 1.